Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with immediate, practical steps. Power off the camera app and restart your phone to clear temporary focus faults. Remove any case and use a microfiber cloth to wipe the lens in a gentle circular motion. This removes oils and fingerprints that commonly blur images. Then inspect the lens closely for debris, condensation, or a forgotten protective sticker. Once done, reopen the camera app and test focus on a high-contrast subject to confirm improvement before moving on. Now you dig deeper. Change autofocus modes or use tap-to-focus on sharp edges so the system relocks focus correctly. If that fails, go to Settings, Apps, Camera, and Clear Cache. If needed, clear data to reset corrupted settings. Try a reliable third-party camera app to see if blur persists. This helps determine if the problem is software or hardware. While testing, steady the phone or use a tripod to eliminate motion blur and get consistent results for diagnosis. Finish with system-level steps. Update your phone OS and camera app so recent focus fixes apply. If blur remains, compare front and rear cameras and video mode. Consistent issues across modules indicate hardware. In that case, backup data, check warranty, and contact the manufacturer or service center for lens or autofocus repair. If you must, try gentle air bursts to remove dust, but avoid opening the phone. One key tip: if cleaning doesn't help, stop and seek professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.